As homemakers, we spend much of our days in the rhythm of routines. They're small, often repetitive tasks, but within them there is beauty and joy to be found. While I'm going through some of my daily tasks, I want to share how these everyday moments can become sources of contentment and connection. One of my favorite routines is the morning stillness, the calm before the busyness begins. Taking a few moments for a warm cup of coffee can set a peaceful tone for the day ahead. This quiet moment reminds me to slow down, breathe, and savor the start of a brand new day. I fell out of my usual routines when I started publishing 3 videos about a couple of weeks ago. I'd linger at my computer in the mornings, caught up in editing or planning, and before I knew it, a couple of hours had passed. I was so focused on my channel that I'd end up rushing through the rest of my day, leaving me feeling exhausted and stressed. I realized that by letting go of my routines, I'd lost the peace that I wanted to create for myself and my family. So this week, I've been working on getting back on track, remembering the importance of balancing my responsibilities as a YouTube content creator with my calling at home as a wife, mother, and homemaker. Ecclesiastes 3:1 says, "To everything there is a season, a time for every purpose under heaven." This verse reminds me that there's a right time for each part of the day. Routines and schedules are here to help, not to restrict. By placing each task in its own time, I'm refinding the calm that I was missing for the past couple of weeks. Another routine that brings joy is tending to the spaces we live in. Cleaning the kitchen after a meal is one of those tasks that, when done with intention, can feel deeply satisfying. There's something incredibly rewarding about restoring order and creating a peaceful environment for the next meal. And folding laundry isn't just about keeping up with chores. It's a moment to be grateful for the people I love and the simple comforts that make our house feel like home. When I take time to fold each piece with care, it becomes more than just a task. It becomes a small act of love. Another routine that brings joy is making the bed each morning. While it may seem like a small task, creating a neatly made bed adds a sense of calm and order to the entire room. It's a fresh start for the day and a welcoming sight at night. As I smooth out the sheets and fluff the pillows, I feel like I'm setting a peaceful tone for the space. Sweeping or vacuuming and mopping the main floors downstairs is another grounding part of my day. A clean floor invites calmness. It's practical for the safety and health of my family, and cleaning the floors themselves brings such a simple satisfaction of accomplishment.
What? Ano doing? Mommy. What? I'm bored.
When I'm on schedule and not rushing through my chores, each task becomes a moment to connect with my home, my family, and with the Lord. These small routines, though ordinary, are where some of life's sweetest moments can be found. As I embrace slow and simple living, I'm steadily learning to view these routines within my daily schedule as more than just things on my to-do list. They're part of the life that I want to create, a life filled with contentment, gratitude, peace, and joy in the everyday moments that God has given us.
You almost got it. It's almost out there. You almost got it.